Charlie Munger believed most people lose money because they want easy answers. They chase hot stocks, they follow trends, they copy others without understanding. But Munger warned us, if you don't understand something, stay away from it. He believed ignorance combined with confidence is the fastest way to financial disaster. The core Munger principle. One of Munger's most powerful ideas was simple: invert. Always invert. Instead of asking, how can I get rich fast? Ask, how do people lose money? And how can I avoid that bad decisions destroy wealth faster than good decisions create it? Avoiding stupidity is more important than chasing brilliance. The power of long-term thinking. Charlie Munger hated short-term thinking. He believed real wealth comes from patience, discipline, compounding over time. He once said, the big money is not in the buying or selling, but in the waiting. Most people want results in weeks. Munger planned in decades. That mindset alone separates winners from losers. Mental models, Munger's secret weapon. Munger didn't rely on one skill he believed in. Mental models, ideas borrowed from psychology, math, business, and human behavior. Why? Because life doesn't reward specialists alone. It rewards people who understand how the world actually works. The more you understand human mistakes, incentives, and systems, the fewer costly errors you make with money. Final lesson. Charlie Munger didn't promise quick wealth. He promised something better, a framework to avoid failure and build lasting success. Think long term. Avoid stupidity. Keep learning. Let compounding do the heavy lifting. This is a FinuraFlow, where timeless wisdom meets smart money thinking. Subscribe and start thinking like the people who actually win.